How to see unseen messages on Messenger. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel, and on today's video we will learn how we can see unseen messages on Messenger. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. So if you open up Facebook in your device and if you're wondering to see the unsent or deleted messages on Facebook Messenger, but unfortunately, Facebook Messenger does not store deleted or unsent messages. But with a few smart tricks, you can still view them. So if you're using Android device, you can enable the notification history to see messages even if they're unsent. So for that, what you can do is navigate to your settings in your device, head over to notifications, and on the notifications there's an option as a notification history. Tap on it and make sure to turn on the toggle for the notification history, and wherever the message arrives on your messenger, it will get saved, and even if the sender delete it, you can still view the notifications under the notification history and view the messages. So if you scroll through it and then search for messenger and then tap on it, here you will find all of your messages that may be unsent or deleted. So that's a small trick that will help you find or see your deleted or unsent messages on Messenger. That's it, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.